Tāwharanui Regional Park, the ultimate coastal escape. Imagine a place where the rolling green pastures of a working farm meet the white sands of the Pacific Ocean. Welcome to Tawharanui Regional Park, New Zealand's first open sanctuary, located right at the tip of a remote peninsula north of Auckland. As you pass through the predator-proof fence, you aren't just entering a park, you're stepping into a conservation success story. Because this is a mainland island, the birdsong here is different. It's louder. It's clearer. Keep your eyes peeled for the rare takahē wandering the grasslands, or the pāteke, brown teal, hiding in the wetlands. Heading down to Anchor Bay, you'll find one of the most stunning beaches in the Auckland region. With its crystal-clear turquoise water and perfect surf breaks, it's a haven for swimmers, surfers, and sunseekers alike. If you're feeling adventurous, grab a snorkel. The Tāwharanui Marine Reserve protects the coastline here, meaning the underwater life is vibrant, colorful, and thriving. For the hikers, the Ecology Trail offers a breathtaking loop through lush native bush and along high coastal cliffs. From the ridge line, the views across the Hauraki Gulf toward Little Barrier Island are nothing short of legendary. It's the perfect spot to stop, take a breath, and realize how lucky we are to have this in our backyard. As the sun begins to set, the park transforms. If you're lucky enough to be staying at the campground, stay quiet and stay alert. This is one of the best places to hear, and sometimes even see, the North Island brown kiwi in its natural habitat. Whether you're here for the surf, the wildlife, or a family picnic under the pohutukawa trees, Tāwharanui is a reminder of New Zealand at its purest. Tāwharanui Regional Park. Experience the sanctuary. Protect the magic. For more informative videos, please like, share, and subscribe.